Scarring and blemishes from acne can make you feel self-conscious about your looks, but there are steps you can take to help get rid of scars. Let's start quickly. Number 1. Reduce redness. Fight the redness of a blemish by applying cortisone cream. Cortisone will help to fight inflammation and will reduce the surrounding redness of the scar, making it appear less noticeable. Look for creams that are labeled as non-comedogenic, which means that they avoid ingredients that can clog pores, like cocoa butter, coal tar, isopropyl myristate, and pigments and dyes. Number 2. Try fade creams. Another tool in your arsenal is fade creams. Fade creams that contain kojic acid and arbutin will help to lighten the pigments of the blemished skin and therefore reduce its visibility. Be careful about hydroquinone. Hydroquinone skin fading topicals are fade creams that lighten pigments in the skin. However, they are recently fallen out of favor due to concerns about the possible cancer-causing properties. Number 3. Use retinoids. Retinoids are topical or oral products that normalize hyperkeratinization, meaning they help your skin cells slow off at normal rate, which prevents them from clogging pores and causing acne. They also have anti-inflammatory qualities and can improve the look of the skin by promoting healing. Topical retinoids like Retin A and Tazorake are used in the treatment of acne as well as scarring. Alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids, on the other hand, are chemical peels that remove the top layer of the dead skin, revealing the newer, less blemished skin underneath. You can usually buy retinoids in the cream or serum without a prescription. Pregnant women should avoid them retinoids as they are not safe for the fetus. Number 4. Use vitamin C. Ascorbic acid or simply vitamin C may be an effective way to fade or even remove acne scars and can be found in something as simple as lemon juice. Vitamin C not only contains antioxidants and reduces inflammation, but it is essential in the production of collagen, which is the body uses to heal connective tissue. You can buy specially formulated vitamin C skin creams or serums at the drugstores and pharmacies. An even simpler method is to apply lemon juice to your face with a cotton swab. After a thorough cleansing, having it for no longer than a half hour, you may feel some stinging or discomfort. Your skin may also dry out, so you should apply moisturizer afterward. Another variation of this home remedy is to mix lemon juice with honey and milk in a proportion of 1:2:3 and to apply it as a mask after cleansing. Remove after no more than 1/2 hour. Avoid prolonged exposure to the sun while using lemon juice to lighten your skin. Prolonged sunlight is bad for your acne scars as it is, but with lemon juice on your skin, it is particularly bad. Like many topical treatments, results are not immediate, but regular safe use can help prevent and treat acne. Number 5. Avoid creams with vitamin E. Creams with vitamin E may actually do more harm than good. Because it's a vitamin, we are tempted to think that it will be either beneficial or harmless. In fact, one University of Miami study reported that vitamin E treatment had no effect or worsened the appearance of the scars in 90% of the subjects, with improvement in only 10% of cases. This was all for now. For more videos and updates, subscribe to Healthy Primix and ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching.